after all these years of teaching my kids, at least I know that they can do it on their own and that they will move forward, obviously, in the trades. Am I ready to do it just yet? I might have another year in me, maybe 2.
This is what's gonna happen, okay? We're gonna be on site, and then we're gonna get a call. Say, hey, did you put the jack stud in? Yeah, okay, well, are you spray foaming this house? Yeah, okay, well, what about, did you call Frank? Is Frank in there?
Yes, Dad.
He's always, knowing my dad, he always wants to be a part of it somehow. Whether if that's remotely from his island, he'll be there.
Hey, talk about new stuff nowadays. I can do it all on the phone. Hey, show me what you're doing. The idea all along has been to teach my kids so they can take over what I'm doing. That's building a legacy.